just wanted to show some more on this here template I made. I need to raise this up maybe. Alright. So I cut this out. This is one of the walls. Got the windows all cut. Once you make your template, you know. Turn this. This will be one wall. And this is going to be the trimming, which will, I already figured out what I'm using for the wood for this. I had some wood left over from my coal mine. This wood here. And I think I'm going to run the wood this way. It's supposed to look like steel. And the squeaking noise is my dog playing with her toy. That's better than barking. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this leftover wood. Whoops, sorry. Wood. And I'm going to get some wood that's made, looks like it's cut in brick. And then I'm going to use this trim out of brick. Look like brick. Jason Jensen Trains shows a really good video on how to take that brick and paint it all up, make it look really good and weathered and everything. Looks really nice. So I was just going to show a short video how you take this. I think I need to change something there. So you take your, once you get your templates, you know, you gotta cut out the windows. I don't know if you could see that very good. As long as you don't see my face, I guess you're alright. Sorry, I'm mumbling. So you can freehand that, or you can use a ruler. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're just gonna draw a line on the wood once you're ready to lay your template on the wood, and you have to decide on what size windows you want to use. I still got to get windows yet. So you know you're cutting your little template and cut them things out. I need a cutting thing to go on here. Cutting mat. I got one that's on my desk. And since I'm doing this on the train area, a little different. I need to get one for in here, I guess. Since I'm doing all my filming in here. So you just gotta cut, you know, all the. See, I got everything. All this stuff here has to be cut out yet. These are the back walls for the. Yeah, these are the back walls for the train engine. And another thing I have to figure out is how to bevel. I need to bevel the edges. I gotta figure that out. I've never done it before. Or I'm going to buy these strips that look like brick, and I might just use that to cover the areas where the walls meet each other. I'm thinking that's probably what I'm going to do instead of doing the bevel. But I don't think the bevel would be very, very easy to do. Or it could be easy. But I'm not really finding anything on YouTube that shows how to do it. I thought you would find everything on YouTube. I couldn't find anything on YouTube to teach me how to build my bridge, my train trestle, curved train trestle. So that's another thing there too, my train trestle. Because I need to make a video on that too. So you just cut out these windows, you know. See? And gotta figure out, you know, what size windows you want to use. Once I figure out, as big as this opening is, I'm going to say it's a pretty good size window. And it might show pretty good detail inside, baby. I don't know yet. I guess I'll just have to wait and figure that all out along the way. So, you know, people, I'm still going to put in the link of who I buy these templates from. And once you pay for it, the screen will open up. They're cheap, you know, $10. Some are less, some are more. $10 for a plan, and a screen will open up, and you'll click on that, and you'll save that folder to your computer. Once you do that, it's yours for the rest of your life. So you could, you know, rebuild, build bigger, whatever. You know, you might have to start. You might have to build a new layout someday. You know, you still got the plan to build another train engine or engine house or whatever they got. Church. They got some nice train stations. They have it all. They have a lot. They give you 2 days to download that, and it's really simple. Don't be like me, stick it somewhere and stick the folder somewhere, and it took me a week to find it. But I finally found it. I still got the plans for my coal mine. It's yours for the rest of your life. They don't like you to sell your plans and stuff to other people or make their products and sell it on eBay. But I came across one of their buildings. Somebody built and had it up for sale on eBay. I don't remember what it was though. You know, you send them an email, they'll talk to you. They don't avoid you. They're always coming up with new plans. There we go. I got all the windows cut in that back wall. They they add a new building. They try to add a new building every month. I think it is. Boy, they just added a. I think it's a. What is that? What is it? I think they added a some kind of big. I want to say it's a granary, but I don't recall if it had silos. I still have stuff on there I'm going to get. They got a really nice oh, I forgot what it's called, sawmill thing, because I'm going to have a sawmill area. I'm not even building my layout to model some other, you know, real life thing. I'm just building what I want on it. It's my railroad. That's pretty funny. Well, I hope somebody will learn something from these videos. But it takes time, here, just cutting all these out. You don't have to be perfect until you try to stay in the lines or right on the lines. Don't go outside that line. That'll mess things up. And then if you mess something up, just get in your file, print up another sheet of it, and start over again. That's one of the good things about it. I'm cutting up my foam really bad. It just takes time, patience. Be in a hurry and never turns out right. I just still gotta get some stuff. I still gotta get some wood. I mean, I got a lot of wood. I got a lot of wood. That siding left over from, but it's getting warped. The humidity here is really bad. I have to put something on top of that, flatten that out some. But see, it on my mind, I got the grain running up and down. That wasn't easy. I had to kept adding on. You can't really tell it, I don't think. So I'm going to put it this way, flat this way. Make it a steel look to it, and then put that molding over it. In the next video, I'll show you on cutting this wood for the first time. But this is just the way I do it. I haven't bought a. Oh, I'll take that back. I did buy one kit. I think, yeah, I bought one kit. That was that coal chute thing. I thought I built that from scratch, but I'm old. But I just changed it and added doorway and steps on it and everything. And I built that little house that went under it for the men that's going to be running it, have a place, their office. But I built the water tank, and I don't have no pictures or anything built in that water tank. And then my cover bridge, I have to redo that. I ain't gonna leave it like that. It's not scale size. I'm gonna change that too. So it just takes time to cut all the windows out. There you go. Got 2 walls done. Since I'm only building 3 bays, and it's going to be at a curve. So that's what the bevel this is about. Beveling in. That's what this other line's for. That line says it's supposed to be for beveling. So this is like a middle wall. This one is. This is the end wall. So it would bevel right here. Alright. That's how much I got done of that. Still got a bunch more to cut out. There's a door too. I got doors, so I should be able to use. I got doors. I got windows, but they're too small for this area. And I made this great big thing here. I can, check where things go at. All right. This is the whole. I don't know if I said this is video 2 or not. All right. Thank you for watching. Wait for the next video. Thank you.